Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the timeline and a subtitle track so you can work non-destructively. Import your footage and create a timeline with the correct frame rate and resolution because captions must stay in sync. Once done, enable the subtitle track on the edit page and either import an existing SRT or add a new subtitle track. This gives you the editable container. You do this first to ensure text timing aligns with your cuts, avoiding rework later when audio and picture shift. Now you create and edit caption segments so viewers read accurately. You add captions in the timeline or subtitle inspector, type the spoken text, and trim start and end points to match syllables and breath. Do short readable lines. Make splits for overlapping speech and ripple later segments when timing changes. This keeps sync across the track. Also set formatting, font, size, background box, and safe zone position, because delivery platforms require consistent readability and placement. Finally, export and verify so captions arrive correctly. On the Deliver page, choose whether to embed captions in the video, export a sidecar, SRT/VTT, or burn them into the image. Pick based on platform requirements. Render a short clip, then re-import or open the sidecar in a player to confirm timing and formatting. If captions shift or vanish, make sure frame rate and timeline start time match between project and export. Mismatches there cause most errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.